today's video, I'll be trying out the new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Now, this launched off of our website on the 22nd, and it'll be launching off of Sephora on the 29th. But I was lucky enough to get mine on the 20th just for signing up for her newsletter, and I got early access. There's 44 shades, and it's $44 for 1 fluid ounce. And it's supposed to be transfer resistant, waterproof, and sweatproof. So yeah, I'm gonna read a little bit off of her website. It's a hybrid magic skincare foundation for every occasion. It contains Charlotte's magic matrix of ingredients, the groundbreaking magic Reflexium, to significantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles by up to 22% after 8 weeks of use. Moss Cell Tech #1 to boost hydration up to 260%, and Air Cool for an instant fresh feel on the skin. Wow, 260%, 16%, that's a lot. It says leave on 5 minutes for the true color to optimize. So I'm thinking optimize meaning it's gonna oxidize. It moisturizes for up to 24 hours. It gives it a flawless, poreless looking finish. And 95% of people tested agreed it looked reduced. Like I said, it's sweat-proof, humidity-proof, waterproof, and transfer-resistant. So which is good because I'm going to go to the gym, so I'm going to test it out. I'm going to do a check-in after I go to the gym and run some errands. So it'll be probably like about a 6-hour mark from now that I'll do one check-in. But the color I decided to go with was 5.5 warm. But because I was so excited, I ordered 5.5 cool, and all of my foundations are warm, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this out because I'm really excited. So in the meantime, I did order the 5.5 warm, and that's not coming till sometime next week. But let's go ahead and try this out. So I prime my face with the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and from what I was reading about this, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with 1 pump bottle. The bottle is really, really pretty. Gold cap, and it's very heavy, so it feels very, very luxe. Got the gold, her gold logo, and it also comes with a pump, which is awesome. Okay, so I pumped one out, and that's what it looks like. Don't mind my little odor. I'm going to be using a sponge on this. This might be a little bit too light for me. But we see it says to let it sit for 5 minutes for it to optimize, which to me means oxidize. And this is supposed to be a matte finish. It's not looking very matte to me. It looks a little bit more luminous. At this point, the shade looks a little bit too light, but we'll see if it oxidizes. It's a little bit darker, and this is supposed to be a cool tone. Excuse me, not cool, neutral. So I've already used up 1 pump, so I'm going to use a half more pump because I still need to do my neck. And at this point, it actually looks like a medium coverage to me. I'm going to try and build it up a little bit more. The remainder of my pump. It's supposed to hide your pores, but at this point I can see my pores. That's really one of my concerns about my skin, is that I have pretty big pores, and I have oily skin. So usually after putting on my foundation, usually around the 3-hour mark is when I start to have to blot. And I use blotting papers to take off excess oil. So we'll see how this will go, if I can bypass the 3-hour mark. And I'm also going to go to the gym, so that'll be a test to see if it's sweat proof. So this is what it looks like at this point. So what I'm going to do, yeah, it's definitely, it doesn't look like a matte finish. It's pretty luminous, but we'll see. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back. Okay, after putting on the rest of my makeup, which I haven't put on a lot because I'm going to go to the gym, I can say that leaving it on your face, like they say, for 5 minutes, it does oxidize a little bit, and at this point, I'm really liking the color. Like I said before, I ordered the wrong color. I wanted the 5.5 warm, but I ordered the 5.5 neutral. And I don't know, I'm thinking this color actually works for me. My true test would be when I go out and into the natural light to see if this is actually a good match for me. But at this point, I'm really liking the color. So yeah, I'm gonna go about my day. I'm gonna go to the gym, probably have breakfast, and then I'm gonna get a pedicure. And right now it's 6:04 a.m. and I'll probably do one check-in probably around the 11 o'clock mark whenever I get home. But yeah, I'm liking this foundation. It's buildable. Right now it's about between a medium and a full coverage. As far as the pores, I can see a little bit more of my pores, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all, and it's definitely not a matte. To me, it's not a matte foundation. It's almost dewy-like, which I don't mind. But anyways, I'll go about my day and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So it's been a little over the 5-hour mark since I put on this foundation, and I'm really loving it. I went to the gym early this morning and I did sweat a lot. And normally when I wear foundations that are not sweat proof, there'll be streaks coming down my face, but there was none whatsoever. Like I said, I've had this foundation a little over 5 hours and I haven't even touched it up yet. You can see there's a little bit of a shine to it, but it's actually not too bad. Usually my normal foundations around the 3-hour mark is when I first do my first blot on my face with blotting papers, and I haven't even done it yet. I don't think this is a true matte foundation, which I'm okay with. There's kind of a nice glow to it, and I really like it. Like I said, there's no separation. It looks really good. The only thing is the color wise, like I said, I ordered the wrong color. I was supposed to order 5.5 warm and I ordered 5.5 neutral. The neutral, it looks like it's a little bit too red for me, but it's not too bad. But I'm gonna wait till Monday or Tuesday when my other one comes in and try that one. Yeah, but I'm really liking this foundation. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.